Okay, welcome back. In this video series, I am going to do something fun, and that is to see if AI can build me a complete meme coin, including all the concepts, the character, the avatar, the website, and all the Solidity contracts. Okay, so what I like to do when I'm collecting requirements is I like to use a AI agent called Perplexity. Okay, it's perplexity.ai. So I'm just going to come in here and basically give it my idea and then let it flesh out the requirements that I can then provide to my AI developer to then go and build out everything. So here we go. Let's see if this can dictate for us. I want to build a meme coin. I don't have any concept in mind. I want you to come up with the concept, including the character, the idea, and the business model. This is a project I am doing for fun, that I want to use an AI developer to code everything from developing the avatar image to creating the website, as well as writing all the Solidity code for the actual meme coin. I want the meme coin to be on a exchange where we can trade the coin, for example, like PancakeSwap. That's just an example. It doesn't have to be on that. I don't want the coin to be deployed on expensive chains like Ethereum or Bitcoin. I want you to select a exchange or a platform that has low transaction fees. For example, Binance or something equivalent. I want you to create the product requirements document in a single markdown file that I can provide to a autonomous AI agent who will then spawn sub-agents to do the various tasks to launch this project live. This needs to be a real meme coin with a real avatar backed by a real website with real smart contracts that work on a real platform such as Binance that can be traded using standard smart contracts on platforms such as PancakeSwap or equivalent. Okay, I think that's enough to get started. And there was a few typos that I saw. Let me copy this Binance word. So I did see a couple of typos here. Backed by a real website with smart contracts work on real, like here we go, Binance. That can be traded or swapped using standard smart contracts on platforms such as, okay. So I think this is fine. I'm going to go and hit the go button. And Perplexity is pretty quick at coming back. So I'm going to quickly just glance through this. Fully functional meme coin ecosystem called BagelBot. Okay, pretty cool. Deployed on a low fee EVM chain. Yes, EVM was the word that I was looking for on BNB. How do we get rid of this? Okay, cool. On BNB, tradable on major DEX. Yep, that's the word I'm looking for. Decentralized exchanges. The project includes a memorable character, branding assets, smart contracts, basic marketing site, and deployment scripts that an AI agent and its sub-agents can implement end to end. Very good. So this is a concept, some kind of bagel. Yep, cool. Just looking at the personality, hyper productive AI. Yep, cool. Narrative, it's a BagelBot. Okay, cool. Visual tone, playful, not scammy. Mascot is a robot, body shaped like a bagel. Very cool. Art style, 2D illustration, very cool. Some variants there. PNG, that's just talking about the actual artifact that it needs to do. Chain choice, so selected Binance, that's fine. Low transaction fees, very good. Supports PancakeSwap, very good. Common wallets like MetaMask, very good. Yep, that's fine. Product scope, so it's going to create the BEP20 token contracts, front-end website, on-chain setup, token deployment, liquidity pool, automation for the DevOps, that's fine. Logo, avatar, favicon, social banners, awesome. Token design, so it's got all these supply numbers, 1 billion. An amount for minting, for burning, for pausing, all sorts of stuff. So these are what it's going to have inside the smart contract: ownership, pausing, burn. This is the tokenomics. Okay, that's fine. No complex reflections or tax logic. Very good for the MVP. Yep, team gets 10%. Very cool. Let's see. Smart contract requirements, technical stack, Solidity with BNB Chain. Okay. These are the attributes for the ERC20 contract. Events. Yep. Transfer approve. Owner only where necessary. Yep. Very good. Additional functions like burn, transfer ownership, okay. Safety and best practice, so using a particular version of Solidity, okay, that's fine. What else has it got here? Optional additional contracts, vesting contract, okay, if in scope for the AI agent. Time locks, okay, that's pretty cool. Liquidity pool creation, yep. So it looks like it's really comprehensive. Now the website, so yep, the story, the tokenomics, links to the BSC token page, very cool. Social channels, okay. So it's suggesting Next.js, okay, very cool, for the website. These are the different content sections. All right, how to buy, roadmap, yep, very good. Contracts and links, yeah, disclaimers. So, all right, that's fine. Non-functional requirements, legal. Okay, great. So I'm going to copy all of that, and I wonder if I can see the copy button. Yeah, that should copy everything. And I'm going to create a new project, a new folder first, and then I'm going to open that up in Visual Studio. So let me do that. Okay, so you can see I have a new folder created called BagelBot Memecoin, and I'm going to create a new file and call this the requirements.txt. Okay. I'm going to paste in all that stuff that I copied from Perplexity. Excellent. And I'm going to save this file. Okay. Now, we're not going to use Claude Code for this. We're going to be using my AI agents to work on this. So what do I need to do? I need to push this file to my VPS. So I'm going to do that offline because I need to log into my VPS. So basically I'm going to push this file up to my server where my AI agent lives. And then I'm going to get it to work with this file. So let me do that. Okay, so I have pushed this requirements file onto my VPS. Now I'm going to open up WhatsApp, which is how I communicate with my VPS, and just make sure it can see the file. Hi, Rocky. I have uploaded a new requirements text file in the root folder. Do you see it? I should have called it something more sensible than just a requirements.txt file because I may have more than one, but that's okay. I communicate with my OpenClaw AI agent through WhatsApp, and I just want to make sure that I've uploaded the file correctly before I start working with it. So I'm just waiting for Rocky to confirm. It doesn't see the requirements file. So, okay, maybe I put it in the wrong folder. So let me double check where it's gone. Actually, I don't think it's looking in the root because it's saying maybe it's in the root. So I'm going to just let it know. The new requirements text file is in the root folder of the VPS. Okay, hopefully it understands. I think it might have been looking for the file inside of its workspace. So let me see and make sure that it can access the file. Then we'll get it to do some planning. Oh, not recording. Oh no, that's right. Yep. So just waiting for Rocky to check the VPS. Come back and let me know. Then we can have Rocky, who is my AI agent, spawn multiple sub-agents to get the work done. There we go. So it's found it. Here we go. All right, and it's read it, and it understands what it is, and it's asking for a bit more information. So let's just click on the read more, okay, and find out what it's asking. So, okay, so it's asking what's the domain going to be. Yep, any existing BNB wallet for gas fees and things like that. All right, so I've confirmed it's got the requirements document, and we're going to stop this video here and continue in the next video where we will now start to work with our AI agents to build out all of these things that we've captured in our requirements with the help of Perplexity. So I will see you in the next video.